Dji mic system reviewing. This is the best mic to use at the moment and best benefit. Dji. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Gayan Explore. So today I'm gonna bring you another video, quick unboxing new Dji microphone system. And this microphone system is a recently I brought, and I really like the product. Dji, one of the favorite brand, and today I'm gonna bring you about the quick unboxing and plus what are the basic features add on this package. So let's go to video and unboxing. Let's see what are inside the box. This is the guys packing look like, and it has a Dji logo mentioned and wireless microphone, and I think it's mentioned Chinese language as well. And you can see what are the system can use mobile phone, cameras, and then you can use like when you are doing like vlogging. So this is the basic features added into the camera, like 250 transmission range and dual channel camera recording, up to 14 hours onboard memory. It's mean like when you are doing some recording, you can recording without connecting to any device. You can record the voice, and after that you can add into the separately video to the video. And next features is portable and compact. So later I'm going to show you about what are the portable things and how compact. And wide compatibility. Next is 15 hours battery life. So these are the basic features, including the batteries and the other things showing in the cases. So when we're going to open the boxes, basically you need to open this way, right away like that, and then you have a small pouch, white color. So when you open this one, you get the Dji pouch, and then you get some paperworks. I'm going to keep on the side, and next some again some paperworks with I think different languages. I'm not going to use these things, and you're going to some warranty card, some other features. So these things I'm going to read it. I'm going to put on the side, and now I'm going to open this pouch. So it has a very clear Dji logo mentioned, and it's a really good material. Look like I feel like waterproof and silicone style. So when I open this one, I can see first the cable is can connect to the camera and then receiver. And next I can see wind cut filter, 2 wind cut filter, and USB-C type to USB-A cable. I think it's for the charging. So these are the things in this pouch. And in the box you got the main unit. Main unit is coming with the plastic wrap, and you can see the USB-C type charging hub here, power connector. And when you open this way, the plastic wraps, I'm gonna keep on the side. And this is I feel like a really good enough weight, around 200 grams. I feel in my hand, so it's a really nice feeling in your hand. And when you open first, you can see the automatically connecting to the all the device. So we can see here basic unit, 2 unit. So this is microphone 1, and it's like that. It's come with magnetic attachment, so you can use with magnet, like anywhere you can attach. Like example, you want to attach on the shirt, and you can attach I think this way like that, like attaching way this way. So it's easy to similar. I'm using currently Ceramics, similar style, but I think more better way. And this is the one advantage, and it's a really good feeling on the hand. And this is the one receiver, and I have a second receiver, so 2, and then I got the microphone 1, microphone 2, the receiver, And next I got the USB C type connector and iPhone connector. So these two, and then this one we can use for the when you using the DSLR or mirrorless camera, like hot shoe connect. So these are the basic things. And then when you connect to this one to the iPhone, so you have a arrow, and this arrow you're gonna attach with the arrow same way to a clip, and you can connect to the your iPhone or your USB-C type connection. So this is the easy way to connect your other device. So and next things, when you start to recording this microphone, so you have the one green color light over here, and when you connecting, you can see the two button over on the side and one power on button on this side. So it's almost normally when you switch on automatically power on, and these two buttons, one is the connection like linking, and this button is when you want to recording. So you can see over here when I press this recording button, so I can feel vibrate feeling in my hand, and red color over here like a color, it means the microphone ready to record. So you can see it's microphone 1 and microphone 2. I show you again one more time. So green color light only here now. So you can focus over here, you get the one red color button on already, and I'm going to press the recording button. So vibrate feeling, and you can see it's ready to go. So this is how we're going to use the microphone, when you can attach and then you can good to go for recording. So that's all the basic things, and I think next video I'm going to bring you about the what are the sound quality and what are the sound range, quality range, and then what are the other things in this beautiful DJI microphone. So please stay in tune, and I'm going to bring you more video about the DJI product and other gadgets. So hope you guys enjoying this small video, and if you have any question, anything, please comment below, ask me question. I will answer for you guys, and please subscribe my channel, and if you need any next video, please let me know what are the video you're expecting from next to bring. I will try to my best to bring you a next video. Thank you very much. That's it for today, and I hope to see you in next video. Have a good day.